Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in nationwide mortgage account online. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. After you open the browser, what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in nationwide.co.uk. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Nationwide. So if you want to manage your mortgages, what you have to do is simply log into your internet banking account. After that, you'll also be able to access and manage the mortgage. So what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see right over here on your screen. Once you do that, you'll be led to the login interface. You can see over here, you'll be able to log into your account. If you are not registered yet, over here, you'll be able to find the option for register now. Simply click on it and you'll be able to register for your account. Over here, if you want to log into your account, what you have to do is provide your customer number and date of birth. So click on the field of customer number and enter the customer number over here. If you have forgotten your customer number, you can click on this option, forgotten your customer number, and you'll be able to recover it. After you do that, what you have to do is enter your date of birth. First of all, enter the day. Now select the month. Now what you have to do is enter the year over here. Now once you do that, what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be led to step 2. Now in step 2, what you have to do is simply enter your password. Also, you'll have to accept the terms of use. Simply accept the terms of use and you'll be logged into your account. Once you're logged into your internet banking account, you can access Mortgage Manager through the related services menu. After that, you'll be able to access and manage the mortgage. So that is how you log in Nationwide's mortgage account online. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.